in this video, I will show you guys how to write an equation for exponential function. So since it's exponential function, therefore we use the formula y equals a times b raised to the x power. Okay. And let's read the problem. What do we know from it? So we know sea level 0 feet, elevation, the atmospheric pressure is 101 kPa, and for every 500 feet of elevation gain, the atmospheric pressure decreases by approximately 1.8%. And what we need to do is, what is the atmospheric pressure as an elevation of x feet? So that means we have to write the equation to find the pressure. So then when we have y equals a times bx, we can label this as y will be the atmospheric pressure. Okay, so this will be y, and then a will be initial value, which is at 0 feet elevation. So we have a right here. That's a. And then for b, seems like we already have it because we know the rate is 1.8%. And what we can do is we will take we take 1.8 divided by 100 equals 0.018 for the rate. However, since they say you need to write the equation for the atmospheric pressure at an elevation of x feet, so that means the x feet can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, while what you know is for every 500 feet of elevation. So it's not go by 1, 2, or 3. So that means 1.8% right here only apply if the elevation gain for every 500 feet. If it's gained by 1, 2, 10, 15, then we cannot apply the rate, which is 1.8%. So therefore, we need to work it out to make sure we get the factor when x can be any number. So it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 5, it can be 10, and not necessary to be multiple of 500. Okay, so how we do it? So I start with the table. So then with the table, have x, which is the elevation in feet, and y, which is the pressure, atmospheric pressure in kPa. Alright, and then from this equation, what we can do, we can replace the value we know. So then for the table, we know the 0 feet, at 0 feet, the pressure will be 101. And then for every 500 feet of the elevation gain, so the next value I'll have 500. And that means I will take 101 multiply from here to here, multiply by 1 minus 0.018, which is which is 0.982. Okay, so then take 101 times 0.982. give me 99.182. And I can keep going with it, but with 2 points from the problem, I can figure out the factor. So how I do it? So then now I will use the value that I just figured out, which is this value right here. And then I'll use the equation. So then y equals a times b raised to the x power. So now my y will be 99.182 equals a is the initial value, which is 101, times b, I don't know yet, and then for x it will be 500. Alright, and then now I will divide it by 101 on both sides. So then 99.182 divided by 101, it gives me 0.982 equals b and 500. And then now I take square root of 500 roots. So take not square root, but 500 roots on both sides. So then on the right side now I have b, which is factor, and then on the left side I can rewrite it as exponent, rational exponents, which is 1 over 500. Okay. So now I can go back to original one and replace everything to get the complete equation. So then y equals, again, my a's initial value when the elevation at 0 feet, which is 101, times my factor that I just found is 0.982, 1 over 500 raised to the x power. Okay, so you can leave it like that, or you can use the power rule to rewrite it in different way, which is, and then 0.982 raised to x over 500. Alright, so this is the complete answer for this problem. Right, hopefully this video helped you understand a little bit more about exponential function, and you can practice on this concept by yourself.